It's nice to make video. You look so handsome, you know.
I know. I was born handsome.
So guys, let's see the waist of someone here. Nothing there. Come on, let's check. It's nice here, guys. It's nice. One of our favorites actually when we come here. Beatrice's favorite actually here to play around the area. Guys, look at that. Kainin natin to. Guys, we are home and si Beatrice na sa bahay. Today is Monday. Si Beatrice na sa bahay kasi dinala namin sa school. We don't get information na hindi papasok yung teacher niya. So, we've waited 15 minutes after 9 at ako'y lobat. Bumili na kami ng groceries para may magawa tayo. So, I'm preparing now lunch. So, yung asawa ko kakain ng ganito. Tapos, yung anak ko kakain ng pasta. We will be eating this pasta. Narihit ko na. Ako po ay magluluto ng Indonesian noodles. Yun ang kakainin ko. Wala akong ganang kumain ng kung ano-ano. So, yan. I'm already preparing here. Ayan. Ano yung noodles ko? Bumili tayo ng cherry. Kasi gagawa ako ng Black Forest cake. Ayan. May pupuntahan kami ng asawa ko. Beatrice, you can eat na, Papa?
Yes.
So, ganyan. What na naman si Beatrice. Ako, luluto pa ako ng aking noodles. I'm tired, actually. Ouch. So, how many days? Gumigising ako ng maaga, guys. I woke up 4 a.m., 3 a.m. to iron the clothes para matapos ko lahat ng mga damit na i-iron ko. Beatrice is here. Oh, walang klase. Walang pasok. Set up ya. Walang pasok. What can you say? Gangnam Style. Tuk. Just dance Gangnam Style. Sige na. Gangnam Style. Oh, Papa wag Gangnam Style. Or Billy Crawford dance.
Yeah.
Sige na.
Excuse me.
Okay, may cooking my food pa. So yan, kain muna kami guys. So guys, we are going to start making our Black Forest cake. So gagawin ko ay, so ito guys, tanggalin natin yan. Tapos guys, kainin natin itong isa natira. Ito na yung, so isa-isahin natin, tanggalin yung seeds. Hindi ko na i-video kasi sobrang dami. Matagal lang tayo. So guys, nagpalit tayo ng damit kasi yung damit ko nagka-stain. Ang hirap naman ito. Nagkaka-stain. So kahit ito, pantulog naman to. Pambahay, okay lang. Yung kamay ko, stained na. Effort talaga to pag gumawa ka ng ganitong Black Forest. Yung iba, hindi naman yata naglalagay ng ganito. So guys, after 10 years, natapos na natin yung paggawa nito. Tinanggalan natin lahat na buto. At saka, lagyan natin ito, lulutuin natin. Lagyan natin ang ginger cherry. At saka, this is homemade ginger liquor pala. Tapos, ay maglagay tayo ng sugar dito. Ito lang yung gagawin natin. Kasi may sariling water na yon, juice, yung cherry. So, hindi natin kailangan lagyan pa. So, guys, we're going to put half cup of sugar. Ay po. And then, so we will cook it first before putting the liquor. So guys, while nagluluto tayo ng ating cherry, pang fillings natin sa ating cake and toppings, so we are going to bake chocolate cake. Without water yan ha. Nakalimutan ko chocolate. So guys, ilagay na natin ito sa ating naka-ready na pan. Yun. Yung aking camera ay nagluloko-loko. Diyos ko, God help me. Lagay natin dito. So, ganyan guys. I-fold natin dito. Na-prepare na yung ano natin. I have a feeling this cake will be very, very good. Pag maging successful na naman to, ako po ay mag-share nito sa aking birthday. Magbe-bake ako nito. Pamimigay ko. Sprinkle, 1/2 tablespoon. Sprinkle ko daw. Okay. Annoying. Guys, look at that. Kainin natin to. Look at that. This one's not good. One is good oh. So guys, kainin natin to. So guys, we're going home. Tapos na tayong mangunguhan na ano. Oh! We 1 hour
1 hour 15 minutes.
1 hour jog. 1 hour jog.
1 hour 50 minutes.
Really?
Yes.
So, 1 hour 15 minutes daw. Kami nag-jog. Tapos, yung aking feet ay nalanta.
First,
I cannot remove. Okay. So, this is the pangatlong feet daw. Busog na ako dun sa I will eat this one. Isa din to sa mga prutas. One of the fruits that I like here. Nakakabusog siya pag
the
busog.
black one is the sweet one.
So, I'll show you. Kasi hindi yan kinakain yung buli, yung puwet. So, you have to remove the back. Yung ginawa ko. And then, Pedro likes this, but not so much like I do.
Very more, that's right.
Ganyan. Ganyan sa loob. So, we're going home na.
I like more like a Lolo fries. A Lolo.
We have a lot of dry figs there in the house.
What?
We have a lot of dry figs there. So guys, we're home. At ipakita natin sa inyo kung gaano kadami yung ating dinekwat doon sa puno ng aking in-laws. So far, ang dami-dami naman. Ito po yun. Ito po yung mango nectarine. So, one of the favorites ng prutas na gusto ko dito is ito. Para siyang mango. Malayo naman, pero mas yung malabnaw na mango yung lasa. So, ganun siya. And, yung lemon, yan. Para sa asawa ko yun. So, hugasan natin yon at ilagay natin dito sa ating lalagyan. Lagay natin dyan para hugasan natin. So, ito, kumakain ako kanina sa puno, guys. Sobrang tamis niya talaga. So, isa to talaga sa pinakaburito ko. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Ito. Pwede naman ito kain dito. So, hindi ko na hinugasan. Kakaulan lang naman ng isang araw. Umulan ba? So, yan. Let's see. But, the focus. Ano ba yan? Clear background. Okay. Whatever. So, ito guys. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya tabi niyo yung aking camera. Hindi balance. So, ganun. And then, parang mangga din siya guys, na malabnaw na mangga. So, it's called mango nectarine. Sarap. Sabi ng Lola, peach to. Hindi naman peach to. I don't know. Peach ba to? So, ganun siya. Apple. May seed siya. Ganyan na kalaki. So, maliliit siya actually. This time, medyo maliit. Yung mga bunga niya. Pero okay naman. Masarap pa rin. So, yan. Nagluto na ako ng palanghalian. Magtutuna lang kami. Pagod na ako. 11:30 na kami dumating dito. So, we're going to eat tuna and rice. Ang asawa ko. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Meron tayong flowers dito. Na ang ganda. Every year. Nagbibigay talaga to. So guys, let's see the waist of someone here. Nothing there. Come on, let's check. Vital statistic. Sa kanya lang ako, hindi ako kasama. Hindi naman ako nagda-diet February. Come on here. Let's see. Let's see. No, it's only a bit. Go turn around here. Turn around. Turn around. Every now and then. Don't make that. Uy. 108. So, okay. Where's the waist? 108. The waist now 110.
Because I have the t-shirt?
No.
Of course it is.
Still 100. 100. Yung kamay ko guys, it can insert it here. And then I put it. So, 107.5. This time.
In 1 week.
Wait lang. She's upset. Oh, wait, it became...
I have a t-shirt.
Okay, 107. 107 guys in 1 week. So,
No, here we go.
we started 120. We started his waist. 120. So, medyo malaki-laki na rin kasi imagine mo 10 cm, 13 cm, ganon.
I measure my nose
In front. So, ganun. Ganun yung waistline niya before. Maybe you notice it in some of our videos na malaki talaga yung tiyan niya dati pag naglakad, parang bunjing. Ganun. So, yan. At least now. Kahit ako, I lose a bit of weight too. Kahit pa paano. Of course.
You check the weight too.
The weight. Yeah, you check your weight too.
Let me see. It was 100 what? 108.
From 104.
108. Oh, not before.
Hindi naman magkalayo yung waist namin dalawa. Lumaki ako ng bongga eh. So yun, yung weight niya dati, ang pag-start is 104. Kasi talagang, ano yun, hindi nag-exercise after eating, 30 minutes sit down, nakahiga na all day. Ganon yun yung naging ono niya. Nung nawala na ng motivation sa buhay ba? So yun. So last time, we had at a very good result sa kanyang blood. So we have to make something. Pinainom siya ng doktor niya na parang pang tanggal talaga ng fats at it was not working for him kasi sumakit yung tiyan yung kada pupo niya. Sumasakit. Hindi niya mailabas at saka yung intestine niya na notice niya na masakit din yung ano niya, yung tiyan niya. So sinastop namin. He used it for 1 month lang. What is your weight now?
94 exactly.
94?
Exactly.
Congratulations.
600 kilos. 600 kilos. 600 grams.
Oh,
Wow.
600 grams. From 104 you started.
It was 94 sweet. Now it is 94 exactly.
So before he started from 104. It was 104 kilograms. And then it became 101, no?
Yes.
Before he maintained 101. Tapos naging 104. So tapos nag-second namin na test was 101. Now it's 94 daw. Okay, congratulations. It's a big 10 kilos.
What?
You lost from 104 to 94, 10 kilos. So he lost 10 kilos. It's nice here, guys. It's nice. One of our favorites actually when we come here. Beatrice's favorite actually here to play around the area. This is new, huh? Huh? So, yeah, this is 20 minutes. 20 minutes, Papa, no? 20 minutes.
It's not so much farther than Akubasa.
So 20 minutes. Yes.
Distance is almost the same.
It's near to our house too. This is nice.
One that makes for their mini golf there.
This made in 2018. This is an art.
This is what they used before on the neck in Portugal. The rich and they used that on the neck
For what?
when they were eating. I don't know.
Really?
Time you ask me.
Okay.
I was not born in Portugal. I don't know about what it is. But I remember that even in France they used that the white like a paper. I think it was made of paper. Or they put it on their neck.
Really? So this is, guys, important. Don't consume the water. It's not suitable for drinking.
Make
Diba?
yourself fresh.
Yeah. It's nice here, no? Oh. There's a woman naked there, oh. There, oh.
Naked.
Oh, look at that. Oh. There's so many coffee shops here that you can drink. Mag-aantay kami, guys, kasi yung schedule namin is 9:30. We are so punctual.
30, 10:30.
10:30.
9?
We arrive here now.
I know 9.
9:15.
So you can see how fast you're here.
No, 9:04 actually. We still sit down there. So yan, kailangan namin magantay.
Oh, yeah, it's right there.
Yes.
It's right there.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. The problem was that strange guy. I know where he is now.
There's a strange guy. He's not Portuguese.
No.
He's Indian.
I know that they're playing badminton there. This is I know.
I would love to join that, huh?
I can ask.
No.
Then don't say that.
I will be sweaty.
Go to her. What did you do? I only play badminton. Okay. Yeah, now the one that was in the van that I told you goes out too. After that guy was gone, he goes out to the van too.
It's nice. Oh, they have badminton, no? The badminton court.
It's not a court. It's only they playing there. It's not a court.
It's a court. They have a proper,
Let's check. Here
They
we're
have-
talking. Let's go there and check.
Yeah, let's check.
go.
But we have to turn off the kasi
Yeah.
It's not
people
allowed to
there,
make the
you know.
people-
It's not allowed here in Portugal.
it's nice to make video. You look so handsome, you know.
I know. I was born handsome.
This is guys a mini golf here guys in Porto Domos. Very nice look. Oh, very nice. There's a camping van there. You can park. Very nice. So guys, look at that. So beautiful here in Porto Domos. Yes. Tapos ito, meron silang climbing. How do you call this? That you can climb for kids. Yes, that's for kids. Nagpark kami dyan kanina guys. Tapos may lalaki na nag-ano.
They're building more down there.
Yes. This is the park that we used to go.
Yes.
That Beatrice used to go.